In this video, I will show you how to turn off the restricted mode on TikTok. The process is really simple. For this, you have to open your TikTok application. After that, tap on this icon located at the bottom of screen. This will open your profile. So, after opening your profile, tap on three dots located on the top of screen. Select Settings and Privacy. This will open Settings and Privacy. So, in Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Then select Restricted Mode. Now click on Turn Off. Now enter passcode to turn off the restricted mode. Now you have successfully turned off the restricted mode. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.